The electrostatic force between the metal plates of an isolated parallel plate capacitor C having a charge Q and area A is. So here we have to simply tell that there are two parallel plate capacitors. Parallel plate capacitors are like this, having a charge Q. They have a charge Q and area is considered as A. The area between them is considered as A. So we need to tell the independent of a distance between them plates, or the plates are proportional to the square root of the distance between the plates, or the linear proportional to the distance between the plates, or the plates are inversely proportional to the distance between the plates. So how we can say that? Since we have the isolated capacitor Q that is equal to constant, right? Then we'll consider F as a plate or any variable which we like, and there's a simple formula, that is charge square upon A, that is current, into E, Armstrong number of 2. Since F is independent of distance between the plates, F is the isolated capacitor, so it is independent of the distance between the plates. So we can say that the electrostatic force between the metal plates of an isolated parallel plate capacitor C having a charge Q and area A is independent of the distance between the plates. There is no distance between the plates since they are parallel to each other. So we can say that this is our solution.